Good morning, America. Me coming to you live, Hollywood Beach. We survived. It's a little, I don't know, after 7 a.m. Come down here. Woo! This water's warm. We made it. Fucking made it. I didn't bring my coffee with me. I didn't feel like drinking a cup of sand. Oh, the water's actually a little chillier.